Getting ready to power, we're going to call this power wash the house, because actually it's said to be more effective than an actual power washer. So we're going to work on getting all of this mildew off of the house. Here, this is the bottle of 30-second cleaner. You can get this at Home Depot, Lowe's, or your local hardware store, and the smaller bottle is about $20. The larger bottle that we had runs about $40. So it's definitely worth getting a bigger bottle, the larger your home is.
You can hold it up and I can
Yummy! Alright, there's a little red little tab that's on the inside that looks like this. So the first thing you're going to want to do is just actually pull that out. Fits right in there, take it out. Someone showed that by removing the tab it gives it better coverage, and we've tested it and found it to be true, so that's what we've done. We've removed it. Alright, Pop, what do you do from there?
And then you go ahead and flip this to clean. So you put it all the way over here to the other side. Now it's on clean.
Okay. Yep. It's been yard cleanup day, getting ready to make this our little project area with some turf. So you're spraying down the house, and once you get it all saturated, you're gonna wait probably about 2 minutes. It's just that simple, seriously. Okay. Saturate the whole house. I'll show you really close how grimy and nasty it is. Before Hurricane Sally, we had nothing but trees back here, so all of this was just full of mildew and mold. And all right, we're gonna give this first part the first coat. Saturate it down. All right, I have to show you this because this has been like 30 seconds and you can already really tell a difference. I am loving this. Definitely gotta show you this. Show you my masterpiece really quick. That is a Hurricane Sally survival. Turned some lemons into lemonade and made me a tiki. And there used to be a big root tree stump here sticking out of the ground, and he went ahead and made us a little koi pond. Show you the house. Look at that. Big difference already, and that's not even rinsed. Alright, so he just sprayed that side. Alright, now it's just a little hard to tell. It's getting dark pretty quickly. He has to work tomorrow, so I wanted to definitely have him do it tonight. Alright, giving it a rinse. So the instructions on the bottle will tell you to start spraying from the bottom and go up, but why would you do that with anything? Even when you wash your car, you don't do that. You spray from the top. So start from the top and then go to the bottom. And actually, I think he used way too much on the right-hand side of the house, so just wet it. Spray it enough to just get it wet. Leave it for 2 minutes. Give it a second coat before it dries. And then a rinse. Look at that coming down. How awesome is that? Beautiful. Alright, note on this, if you guys want to spend a couple $100s on a good pressure washer, just don't even do that. Don't even waste your money. Just go get this stuff. 30-second outdoor cleaner. And you can actually tell a big difference onto the areas that were missed compared to all of that mist. This is some really good stuff.
This product is amazing.
Let's go back and take a look at this photo of what it was to now. And this is the next day. We couldn't be more pleased. So much so that I began to use it on my clients' homes before we actually listed on the market. The one thing that I did find is that when you have vinyl siding, you might need to use like a little broom or a brush, and what I do is I use those long mops to actually get into the grooves and go along it. It seems to stick a little more, but it definitely works. Look how amazing this is. I highly recommend 30-second cleaner. I also want to mention that I've started using it indoors, and it works great for the backsplash around the stove where there's gooked on oil. The possibilities and usage of this product is absolutely endless. Well, I hope you enjoyed. Happy cleaning. Namaste.